Hey guys, in this episode, it's another interview with Raj. Since he's an AI engineer, AI expert with many years of experience, I thought it would be a good topic to talk about the future of AI and like how it will impact work environment, like for tech people, for example. So maybe you can share some of your points of your view.
It's coming really fast. AI is taking over real quick actually. It's faster than most people imagine. It's disrupting like every sector at this point, Almost no sector is free. Uh, Including content creation, YouTube, you create ideas for videos, create clickbait titles, so on and so forth. And also nowadays AI is doing like the image generation, all those things as well. And there are some situations where they can make videos which is starting to come sooner. It could be open source as well. It's disrupting a lot of places. And one thing what I would say is like a lot of white collar jobs could be replaced. There was like one article talking about like thousands of white collar jobs could be replaced completely by AI. So that's like a really scary thing, right? Only the blue collar factory working labor jobs are available. I mean, at some point that will also be automated with robotics and embedded systems. But so a lot of jobs in next 5 years. I think the world will be so strange.
I think so far for now, especially the tech market will change because the robots and all also for like factory and stuff, yes, but not all the countries will have money to suddenly automate everything. So like in case of tech jobs, I think it will impact a lot, like changing the job titles.
Most jobs will become like prompt engineering jobs basically. So instead of you don't have to do anything interesting, just tell the AI what to do. That's how funny it is gonna become.
Yeah, true.
And how do you think the UI UX? She's a UI UX designer. I guess you guys will know better. But so how do you think it's impacting AI is impacting in your field?
Yes, so in our case, I also say it for graphic designers as well, because I also have a background in graphic design. It helps in terms of image generation, like you can use ChatGPT or Gemini, a Copilot for generating images, so that you can use without being afraid of copyrights. Because so far, we as designers, we had to think that we need to pay for some good quality image, or we need to use the websites like FreePic or Pexels, and to use like free content, to not be afraid of future consequences. And now the job is done a bit more easier thanks to using AI images. I was using Midjourney for a while, and I really enjoyed using it. So it's also another solution to have better results. Than from free resources, like from free version of Copilot, for example. So I think this is like one of the examples of how it impacts that. It improves our work, our designers, but we're also a bit afraid of like whether it will be needed in future.
And also like this week Google released AI in Gmail as well. Nowadays it can summarize all the work for you. It can tell you all the meetings, all the work stuff that you have. It's all for free. It's integrated actually. Maybe you should check your Gmail again.
Oh, okay, didn't notice.
So that's interesting.
Okay, I see. Nice.
So, and one more thing is like many people ask me is like, should we study AI? Everybody is studying, or like that's the current hottest thing, or at least for the next 10, 20 years. That's true. But the question is, should you study AI? Is something that I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm myself an AI engineer currently studying medicine. I personally will say do not study AI because almost everyone wants to do the same thing. The counterintuitive point here is AI can program also, obviously, and it can evolve on its own to some extent. It doesn't require a lot of AI engineers, you know. AI doesn't need more and more data scientists or machine
I
learning or deep
see.
learning engineers. That's something nobody understands. Now everyone wants to study data science, machine learning. Yeah, I'm like, no, you should not. Yeah, it's going to take care of that as well. So
Okay.
yeah, that's something I really wanted to tell to your audience, you know,
Sure.
just try to avoid. The thing is, what will happen, you know, if everyone is studying AI, what will happen? The demand will be superseded with supply, and then the pay will be so low, you know. Like, even though you are a
Yeah,
UA,
could
sorry,
be.
AI engineer, like, you will make so low pay, and even if you are not interested, if you think you are exploited in your current job, there will be 100 other 1,000 other people willing to do the same job, because
Sure.
everyone is AI engineer, right? That's
Right.
something you guys should think about. Do something that is not traditionally, conventionally done. So look out for new interesting jobs, you know.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. And thank you so much for explaining your point of view on the AI and tech market. And also, yeah, that I also added some parts from my side. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you want, you can also see another video to find out more about Raj, like why he came to Europe or why he came to Poland. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe our channel if you like our content so far. And see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks.